When you are doing this, go to Roblox and screenshot your character in a green screen. Then after that, screenshot your thumbnail's background. Now, let's move on to the making of the thumbnail. Go to Ibis Paint. Now click the Canvas button. Now click Trim to crop the parts you don't want of your background. Me realizing it's not the shape of a YouTube thumbnail. Then go to the layers to put your character. Adjust it. Use the magic wand button to remove the background. Erase it. Click this button to adjust it. Then adjust your character where you want it to be. Add a text if you want. It's this button. So I am gonna add an overlay the easy way. Click this to have a butterfly overlay. Scroll down. You can pick any butterfly. I'll pick this one. Adjust it. Click this so the color won't spread out of the overlay or butterfly. Choose any color for the butterfly. Don't merge the layer, or else it will make this pop up. So I'm just gonna do some shading on my character. If you do shading on your character, make a new layer above your character, then use clipping, so that the color won't escape off your character just like the overlay. After that, save it. Then go to YouTube Studio. Click Videos. Choose a video where you want a thumbnail. Then click the pencil button. Click it again. Click Custom Thumbnail. But you can only do this when you're verified. I am not, so I can't do it. If you're verified, it will show a check mark beside your name. I'll give you an example. Like this YouTuber. But add your thumbnail at the start of your video, because it might appear in these slots. If it's there, click it, and then it's your thumbnail. But sometimes it's not there if you have a long video. I hope this video helped. Bye.
You say you love me, I say you crazy. We're nothing more than friends. You're not my lover, more like a brother. I know you since we were like 10. Yeah, don't mess it up, talking at ears. Only gonna push me away, that's it. When you say you love me, that